Day number 4. Good morning. We start off the day by going to this tangerine farm. Okay, the plan was to go to this tangerine farm to eat brunch. But the moment we reached, we realized they only serve drinks. 여섯 분.
저 입장료가 음료라서
Food 있어요. Only drink. Oh, sorry. Only drinks. And they also are not in season for tangerines, which I kind of knew and expected, but just that I thought there would be other activities at this tangerine farm because I saw some reviews that they can do like soap making, you can make like do stuff, yeah. But okay, there was just a farm, which was quite cute, but I don't really know what the vibe was like. It was so confusing because look at the farm, yeah. And then generally the drinks were quite pricey, but it was the cost of the entry. So like you just need to buy a drink, then you can enter the farm. There were quite a lot of geese, as you would hear. They're like honk 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 honk. Yeah. Got another 10 refills. Ooh. And then there's a cow. Ooh. Moo. Or some like goats. You hear that? Ponies. Coco, you need to reach. Go nearer. You go to Japan for sumo wrestling. You come here for horse wrestling. Yeah, they said they're strong. Be careful. Aiyo. It's not gonna be funny if they start chasing me. These the alpacas. Oh, look, so many. Orange juice.
Are they getting ready to barbecue all the animals? Because they put the geese in the pen and then they set up chairs with cloth around what looks like a giant barbecue pit.
Hello! Hi everybody! Hello! How are you? How are you? Hi! Hello, no food though? Hello! Hi! Hello!
Oh, you're so cute.
Hi!
But you're so wet.
Hi! Oi! Don't spit, don't spit! A rabbit. Look at the monkey scratching. It's the monkey with the orange on the head and the monkey with the Pikachu on the head. Hey, hey, hey. And 3 little weird squirrel mice. Or an emu. We don't really know, but I think
Look at the head.
a lot of the kids got to ride these super cute like cars, vehicles that look like farm tractors, which was honestly fun. I would have loved it if I was a kid. And then we headed for lunch because it was starting to get a bit later already. Then we went to the beach crab. A big stew of ramen, plus we had 2 different types of platter. We had the snow crab platter, and then my parents had the lobster and meat pork shoulder platter. So much snow.
Where's the...
Don't have. I guess it's just a cover. We ordered a side of Hawaiian shrimp fried rice, which was quite yummy. Thankfully, it wasn't a big bowl. Then after that, we drove over to Depo Jusang Cliff. We had to pay like a $2 entrance fee, and I think that's the trend for all like tourist attractions in Jeju so far that I've noticed. The place was quite crowded with tourists, and they had like some like tourist shops that they were selling stuff which Rich felt trapped to. So there's a sign that says no coin tossing. I don't know why there's a sign there, because literally any point that there's a sign there is coins there. So like, is it because they put the sign that's why people put the coins, or is it because people put the coins too much then people just put the sign? Honestly, nobody knows. Congrats. After this section, we went to eat Sulping Korean dessert cafe. It was a big order. We thought we were just gonna eat a little bit, but no, we ordered like 4 different Bingsus: Indomie, mango, real green tea, and melon yogurt cheese. And the rest ordered some drinks like Americano and some fizzy drinks. It was quite near the Seogwipo Meil Ole Market, so we crossed over and checked out the place for about an hour. Bad choice, because the next moment we know the Jeongbang Waterfall closes at 5:40. And what time did we reach the place? 5:45. Essentially, we were totally late for it. This is the best view we can get.
Okay, we've seen it. It's not too bad.
But it's not too bad because here is our theory about Jeongbang Waterfall.
You know, we just saw this Jimbo, right? Jeongbang Waterfall. Okay, and you know where the water comes from? It actually comes from a drain behind the waterfall, right? And the drain is man-made, which means that the waterfall is artificial.
Very good theory. Thoughts?
Yeah, I guess so. That's why they'll turn it off at 6.
Okay, this is Mr. Jeongbang. And this is the edge of the waterfall. Okay, if you take a look, this is the edge of the waterfall. And it leads directly to the waterfall. And where does it come from? It's the water, and then it goes past the drain, this bridge, and this is the true source of Jeongbang Waterfall. It's a drain.
See, I was right.
And to be fair, they never promised that it will come from a clean source.
They just promise it's a waterfall.
Yeah, they never say it's a clean waterfall, they just say it's a waterfall.
Not wrong. So this is a man-made waterfall. The moment we finished checking out the waterfall, which honestly wasn't open, then we went to the Arboretum night market, and it was quite disappointing, TBH. I don't know what I expected from it, but like it was not local, plus it was just like a lot of nice vans, like food vans along this road that was lit up with like night lights. So it was quite a pretty place, just that there wasn't a lot of food options. We ordered squid sundae. Yeah, just heating up. Egg. And 2 turkey legs. You will see that we only ate 1, so the other one is still in the fridge right now. Then after that, my dad drove to Kyochon chicken. We ate fried chicken again because this is the best fried chicken I've had in Korea. So everyone else also wanted to try. So there's one super near our apartment. Ordered, waited for about half an hour, and then came back to the Airbnb to eat. We had Yonsei matcha and chocolate cream cake, which was so good. And I think we have found a winning dessert. It's Yonsei University desserts from the convenience stores. And that's the end of day number 4.